Good morning. We're back to talk about Little Spot. And we talked about Little Spot this morning in our lessons. We shared a story with you. And so now we have an activity to go along with that story. And it's all about, what does an online learner do? What do they look like? What do they sound like? And so I'm going to read the lesson below to you so that you can complete the activity on your own. So this is called Little Spot Learns Online. You're going to need some crayons or markers and a piece of paper. Doesn't matter if it's a piece of notebook paper or construction paper or blank paper, whatever kind of paper you have. And if you don't have crayons or markers available, pencil is okay too. The first thing I want you to do is watch the video of Little Spot Learns Online. It's the same one we watched in class, and so this is just for review. And you're going to play the video by hitting this little triangle right here. And again, we watched this video already. This is just for review. And I want you, when you're finished, to think about what a virtual learner looks like. So you're a virtual learner because you're learning at home on your computer and not at school. So a virtual learner might look a little different than a learner at school. Where do they sit? Little Spot talked about finding a good, quiet spot to sit that was comfortable for you. What do they wear? Do they wear their pajamas? Do they get dressed for the day? How do they act? What are some behaviors that a virtual learner has? On a piece of paper, I want you to draw a picture of what a virtual learner looks like. So that could be a picture of you in whatever your work spot is at home. That might be at the kitchen table, it might be at a desk, it might be at a quiet spot in your living room. Whatever that is, I want you to draw a picture of what your place looks like. And then I want you to add at least 4 labels to your picture, showing what a virtual learner does or has in their space. So that might be a desk, it might be labeling a table, it might be labeling your computer or pencils or paper or books. Whatever you think is important that a virtual learner has or does in their learning space, maybe sitting up straight and paying attention would be something you would want to label. It's totally up to you. But have your picture ready for tomorrow morning and be ready to share it with the class. Have fun!